The first real-world images of Huawei's upcoming Mate 80 series have just surfaced online, giving a clear look at what the brand's next flagship phones will look like. These leaks have confirmed some big design changes, especially for the Pro models, which are expected to bring a fresh and more premium camera layout this time. From what the leaked photos show, the Mate 80 Pro comes with a completely redesigned circular camera module on the back, instead of following the square layout from the Mate 70 series. Huawei has gone for a triangular camera arrangement inside a circular frame. This new setup looks more refined and futuristic, signaling Huawei's continued effort to combine bold design with high-end hardware. The three cameras are positioned in a triangle pattern. The top lens is expected to be a periscope telephoto sensor for powerful zoom capabilities, while the two lenses below it likely serve as the main and ultra-wide cameras. On each side of the camera island are dual LED flashes, and next to them, an extra sensor can be seen, though its purpose isn't officially confirmed. It could be a color or light sensor meant to improve photo accuracy. The entire camera island is surrounded by a metallic-looking ring that gives the phone a polished, premium look. It's clear that Huawei wants the Mate 80 Pro to feel luxurious and stand out from typical flagship designs, compared to the Mate 70 Pro's boxy layout with fur openings. This new setup not only looks cleaner, but could also make room for upgraded optics. The leaked photos also reveal two color options so far: bright yellow and black. These shades highlight the modern and bold aesthetic of the phone. Though Huawei will likely offer more color options when the full lineup officially launches. Apart from the redesigned camera island, the rest of the Mate 80 Pro looks quite similar to last year's model, keeping Huawei's signature curved edges and elegant back finish. Interestingly, another leaked image hints that the standard Mate 80 might feature a slightly different rear design. This suggests that the new triangular camera layout could be exclusive to the Pro and Pro Plus models, helping Huawei distinguish between the regular and premium variants. As for what's expected inside, the Mate 80 lineup is rumored to include three main models: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, and Mate 80 Pro Plus. Huawei may also introduce a special high-end Mate 80 RS edition, featuring a titanium frame and a dual-layer OLED display for added durability and clarity. Reports suggest that the phones could come equipped with Huawei's latest Kirin chip, likely offering improved performance and efficiency. There are also rumors of up to 100-watt fast charging, meaning the Mate 80 Pro could refill its large battery in record time. Some sources even claim that one of the models might feature a built-in cooling fan, which would help control temperatures during gaming or heavy use, a rare addition for smartphones. If these leaks turn out to be true, the Mate 80 series could represent one of Huawei's biggest leaps since the Mate 40 lineup, with its bold new design and rumored hardware upgrades. Huawei seems ready to take on the competition in the Chinese market once again. However, there's a catch for international users. Like previous Mate models, the new Mate 80 phones are unlikely to include any US-made components or support standard Android apps. Huawei's reliance on Harmonios continues, which limits access to the Google Play Store and some popular Western apps. This could make importing the phone less appealing for users outside China, despite its impressive design and features. Still, for those within China or for Huawei fans who prefer its ecosystem, the Mate 80 series looks very promising. The combination of a refreshed design, next-generation Kirin performance, and advanced camera technology could help Huawei strengthen its position in the domestic flagship market. Timing, however, is going to be critical. The Mate 80 series will enter a fiercely competitive market. Brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi have already launched powerful new flagships. The OnePlus 15 and Xiaomi 16 series, both offering excellent displays, strong cameras, and fast performance. Huawei will need to deliver not just a new look, but also real performance upgrades and unique features to attract buyers. Ultimately, the leaks reveal that Huawei is not playing it safe this time. The Mate 80 Pro's new camera layout, combined with premium materials and advanced specs, shows that Huawei still aims to lead through innovation and design excellence. Once the series officially launches, it will be interesting to see if these changes are enough to make Huawei's latest flagship stand out in such a crowded and fast-moving smartphone market.